In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change language on Google Chrome. If you've just moved to a new region, share your device with someone who speaks a different language, or simply prefer browsing in another language, Chrome makes it easy to switch. You don't need anything special for this. Just have Google Chrome open on your computer. Start by opening Google Chrome. Once it's up, look to the top right corner of the window and click the three vertical dots. This opens Chrome's main menu. From here, choose Settings. The Settings tab will open in a new tab. Inside Settings, find the Languages section. Depending on your version, you might see it directly in the left sidebar, or you can type Language into the search box at the top of the Settings page to jump right there. Open the Languages section to view your current language preferences. Next, click Add Languages. A panel will appear with a list of available languages. You can scroll or use the search bar to quickly find the one you want. When you've found your language, select it and click Add. You can add more than one if you're multilingual, but for now, add the one you want Chrome to use. Back on the languages list, you'll see the language you just added. To make Chrome display in that language, click the three dots next to it. In the small menu that appears, choose Display Google Chrome in this language. That tells Chrome to use your selected language for menus, settings, and interface text. Chrome will then prompt you to relaunch so the change can take effect. Click Relaunch. Chrome will close briefly and reopen. Don't worry, your open tabs should come right back. If you were typing into a form, consider saving your work before relaunching, just in case. When Chrome restarts, the interface should now appear in your chosen language. Check the menu and settings to confirm everything looks right. If you ever want to switch back, repeat these steps. Select your previous language, choose Display Google Chrome in this language again, and relaunch. A couple of quick tips to make this smoother. You can keep multiple languages in your list, which is helpful if you browse sites in different languages. Also, your selected language affects Chrome's interface. Websites themselves may still appear in their original language unless they offer their own language options or translation prompts. That's all there is to it. You've successfully changed the language in Google Chrome. Thanks for watching, and enjoy browsing in the language that works best for you.